Hello, my name is Guillermo Zavala and this is Ulises Galvez. We are the creators of the F Truck, and the first dish is gonna be a vegan option. It's gonna be a squash tostada. Well, then we worked together for a few months in this cafe in Glendale.
In Glendale, yeah.
Like, what made you think to throw this on the menu?
Yeah, we always have a vegan option.
Yeah,
Okay.
and this is something that's just so always so simple.
Yeah.
Because we usually just use whatever veggie we have, but like squash is usually the main focus of it.
I got you.
Just really don't do that much to the squash. It's beautiful greens that make everything look really nice, but also add a nice yeah, this is actually one of my favorite things because it's just so simple and like really tasty and you don't really need too many things.